Today I'm back in my birch. This tree is from the Grow Up Bonsai Kit, and it's looking worryingly bare here for May, and that'll probably have a lot to do with the fact that this tree was living inside under the grow light, and then I put it in the shed over winter, and now it's living outside, so it looks like it's just taking a while to get going. But you can see here now it looks fine, just a slow start. I didn't have the room to keep this inside anymore, and really I need to remove a few more trees. But anyway, this tree has done incredibly well so far. It's only a few years old, but it's already put on a good amount of size. You can see by July that it's put on a lot of growth. But I'm not pruning it, and I didn't repot it in spring either. As this tree is adjusting from moving inside to outside, I'm just leaving it alone this year. The fact it took so long to leaf out just shows that the move was stressful enough for it, so I'm just going to allow it to relax and build up its energy for this year. It is going to grow a lot slower now that it's not under the power of the grow light, but it is looking like it will still grow quite well outside. I'm really happy with how well it seems to have adjusted. In September you can see it starting to drop its leaves, and it will stop growing here. It's a shame it doesn't really put on a good show. It seems to have a few leaves change colour and then they drop off, while others remain green for a while longer, and then they decide to change. It's all sort of staggered, so there's no real display of colour, but that's alright, it's growing well and that's the main thing. And then it's going to be pretty dormant here in November, so I'm not sure if it thickened up much or grew any new branches this year, but the main thing is it seems to have adapted to growing outside. I can get back to working on it in 2024. And here it is now, where I'm just waiting to prune it back and get everything ready for spring. Thanks for watching, see you next time.